Welcome to this section on alerts and notifications on Xamarin.Android. Now you need alerts to display information to your user and let them know what's going on with your app, for example, when they click a button to download something. First, we're going to learn all about basic alert dialogues, which are, in essence, pop-up boxes. We'll extend that idea to list alert dialogues, which are pop-up boxes that allow your user to select items from a list. Then we'll look at toasts, which are transient notifications that appear and disappear on your screen that don't allow any user interaction. Finally, we'll look at local notifications, which are what you can see in the screenshot. When you swipe down on your device, you can see a notification from your app, whether the app is backgrounded or not. So let's begin.